So this is question 3c. What we've got here is a setup of a table. If we have a look at the difference here, 280 minus, it's not a linear, you can see it's not a linear thing, because that difference there is 4800, and the other difference 34560 minus 28800, sorry, that's 5760. It's not a linear thing. We don't have enough evidence to prove whether it's a second difference for a parabola, so we presume that it's a not. So what we might do is see if there's a common ratio, not a common difference, but a common ratio. And if you go 28800 divided by 24, we find that that is 1.2. And if we do the same for this one too, if we go 34560 divided by 28800, there is a common ratio of 1.2. So that means we're going to times by 1.82, 1.2 to get the other two. So we've got 34560 times 1.2, and that's 41472. And then if we times it by 1.2 again, we get 4976.4. Okay, so we've got the setup in there. So it's not a parabola, it's not a linear, so it must be an exponential. So our common ratio is 1.2, so that's going to be 1.2 to the power of x. Okay, if we're going to take that back down to 0, let's find what the, so let's take 24,000 and divide it by, divide it by 1.2. I get 20,000. So that's my start point. So here is the equation that models that thing. So it's 20,000 times 1.2x, and that's